and here I come. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching The Teaching Doc. And today I want to thank each and every one of you for helping this channel. We have reached 8,000 subscribers. Thank you for being the one in that 8,000. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for believing in yourself. Most of you who are telling me you got your first sale, you got your first payout, that's the most important thing to me. That makes me the most happy person in the world. Those who are seeing me for the first time, hey guys, I'm a medical doctor and I love photography. I had literally thousands of photos lying idly on my hard drive. Then I discovered Shutterstock and stock photography. Ever since then, I have earned more than $1,000 by selling those images into various microstock platforms, and I decided to make this channel to upload stock photography guides to help you all. You can check my comments. Most of the subscribers already got their sale. Thousands are getting new sales every day. Many of them already reached their payouts. So start believing in stock photography, start believing in me, start believing in your own self. Subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon so that you can get notified to every new stock photography guide that I upload every week. That being said, many of my subscribers are my close friends now. They send me gifts to my mail address, they send me many things to my personal email ID, and one of them is Anand bro from Nepal. He sent me few Paytm cashback codes for me to use them, but I promised him I won't be using them myself, and I will be giving them as a giveaway when I reach my next milestone. So today I will be giving you all those Paytm cashback codes. Mind it, those are not mine. The credit belongs to Anand bro. So please stay focused for the next few seconds because I will be displaying them over here. And you need to pause the video to note down the codes quickly so that you can encash them while using Paytm in India. I have still many more exciting things to upload in this channel. There are lots of pending video requests as well. So feel free to write your own video request in the comment section. And as always in my every video, there is a code of the day. If you're watching this video till now and if you have not skipped this video after a minute, please type 8K in the comment section. So friends, please hit the thumbs up to show your love. This is Dr. Arindam. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.